What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Cardano, guys. ADA currently sitting at 221. We're up about 3.2 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 72.02 billion. 24-hour volume 3.41 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card you have, as well as $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. All right, guys, so we got a bunch of patterns at play here for ADA. We have our ascending triangle. We lost the level of support, but we had a throwback. We have this falling wedge pattern. And now we also have a double bottom. I know it's getting a little bit messy here, but just bear with me, guys. So if we break out, give you your target, it would bring ADA up pretty close to this level of resistance that I dropped in. The price target is up at about 241 for ADA. Now it's crucial that we break out of this double bottom. I think we will over the next few days here, and it will get us back above the EMAs on the daily, which is a massive sign of strength. We have the Bullish Cross. We hold them as support. That's when we head up to all these levels of resistance, and we can head up to our target from our falling wedge or descending channel here, up at $3.05. We have some future price targets for ADA. Actually, I opened it up on a fresh chart just so it's a little more easy to see here. So once we come up and we break our all-time high, we have the 1.272 up at 354, and you have the 1.618 for ADA up at 422. If we quickly look at Bitcoin, we've broken our all-time high. We are starting to trend into overbought, not only on the 4-hour, as well as on the daily, guys. So we may come back for a retest of this level of support. The previous all-time high, absolutely incredible that we've broken it here. We are still seeing a little bit of a bearish divergence with the money flow, but you can see the money flow is picking up quickly here on the 4-hour time frame. We're seeing the Bitcoin dominance come down, and that's why you're seeing altcoins do so well right now, because more money is pouring into altcoins now that Bitcoin has broken its all-time high. There's a lot there's a lot of people jumping back into the market, and we're seeing some incredible breakouts. All right, guys, so we'll finish off the video here with ADA. So do look for this level of resistance to be broken from this double bottom at about 224. Your target's up at 239. We have our target from our ascending triangle up at 255. Now, if we were to see a bit of rollover here, do target this level of support once again from our ascending triangle, coming in at about 214 for ADA. But overall, things are looking really good. The fact that Bitcoin broke its all-time high is a strong signal that we're going to see some explosive gains in the coming months for altcoins, for all of crypto, basically. All right, guys, big shout out to the Discord. We're posting chart patterns, posting breakouts. Incredible way to stay ahead of the game as an trader, as an investor. It's the price of a coffee, guys. Can't beat it. Sign up to the Patreon. You can follow me on Instagram. Check out crypto.com, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.